Dance with Leslie. Today I'm going to do the tutorial for the Ella Langley and Morgan Wallen song, I Can't Love You Anymore. I had to do the tutorial and demo for this because it's the two of them singing together and it's so beautiful. Now it is a beginner dance with 32 counts, only 2 walls, 2 restarts and 1 tag, but they're easy. So the choreographer is Tina Hendrix. The intro is 32 counts. We have a tag on wall 4 and walls 2 and 6 are the restarts. Alrighty, so here we go. We take a rumba box modified. Right leg is free. Side together, step the right forward with a shuffle step. Left side together and left shuffle back. One more time, that is side together, shuffle forward, side together and shuffle back. The counts are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Going on, we're going to go backwards. Right, left, 2 walks. Right, left. A shuffle step or a step together step with the right leg. Going back, step together step, left leg. Step together step, and then with the right leg, a rock recover. Let me do that again. Starting with the right leg going back. Walk 1, walk 2, shuffle, step together step with the right leg. Step together step leading left, and a rock recover. And the counts for that are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Taking it from the top. Ready? And side together, step together, step. Side together, back, step together, step. Walk 1, 2, step together, step with the right, step together, step with the left, and a rock right, recover left. Going on, the next set of 8 counts. Cross the right over, step on it and point the left, no weight. Cross the left over and point the right leg, no weight on it. Now we are going to do a box with a quarter of a turn. It's 4 counts. Count 1, you cross. Count 2, you step back on the left with a diagonal. Count 3, you take the right foot to the side. And 4, you bring it back in. So those 8 counts, from the walk, point, go. Right leg, walk, point the left. Walk, point the right. Cross, back, side, together. And I'm going over, back over my right shoulder. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the top. Ready, run the box. And side together, shuffle forward. And side together, shuffle back. 2 walks back. 1, 2, shuffle back. Right, shuffle back. Left with a right. Rock, recover. A walk and a point. A walk and a point. And a box. 2, 3, 4. Now we have our last set of 8 counts. We're going to do another box over that right shoulder again. Cross the right over. Diagonally back so you're facing like 4:30. Side so you're facing 6 o'clock. And then together with the left. Then you point the right foot out with no weight on it. Bring it in. And the left foot out and bring it in. One more time. We're already facing 3 o'clock. We're going to cross the right over. Diagonally back with the left, out to the side with the right, feet together with the left, and then the right points out and in, and the left points out and in. And the counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, modified rumba box. Side together, shuffle forward. Side together, shuffle back. Walk back, back. Shuffle right back, shuffle left back. Left, right, step and point, and step and point, and cross, back, side together, another box, 2, 3, 4, take the out and in, out and in. That's all wall 1, and now we're on our second wall, 2 wall dance. And on this wall, we only do the first 16 counts, and then we do a restart. So here we go, we're going to go right foot, side together, shuffle forward with the right, step together, step, side together, shuffle back left, step together, step, walk back right, left, right, step together, step, left, step together, step, and a rock recover. Those are your 16 counts, and then we restart, making it a wall 3. So we go right side together and shuffle forward, left side together and shuffle back, walk right, left, right, step together, step, left, step together, step, rock back right, recover, walk and point, box with the quarter, turn to 9 o'clock, box with that quarter, turn to 12, point and close, and point and close. So that was wall 3. All right, now we are going to do wall 4. We're starting it here. Now wall 4 has a tag, and the tag is just 2 grapevines at the end of the whole 32 counts. So here we go, wall 4. Side together, shuffle forward. Side together, shuffle back. Right, back, left, back, right, shuffle back. Left shuffle back with a right rock recover. Step and a point, and a step and a point. A jazz box taking a quarter turn. A jazz box taking a quarter turn. Out and in. Here comes the tag. It's a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. We start again with the rumba box. Just let me go over the grapevine in case we've got new people watching the video. Grapevine, step to the right, step the left behind, step to the right side again, and tap. Going the other way, step to the left, out to the side, right behind, left to the side, and tap. Okay, so that's the tag at the end of wall 4. We're now going to do wall 5. Side together, shuffle forward. Side together, shuffle back. Walk 1, 2, shuffle step, and a rock recover. Step and a point, step and a point. A box, 2, 3, 4, a box, 2, 3, 4, and out and in and out and in. And now we are on wall 6. And wall 6, we have another restart. We go side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back. Take it all back, 2 walks, then a shuffle back, and a rock recover. Here's the restart, because that was 16 counts. Side together, shuffle forward, and a side together, shuffle back. Walk back, 1, 2, and a shuffle, and a rock recover. Step and a point, a box, 2, 3, 4, a box, 2, 3, 4, an out and an in, and an out and an in. Good job. Then we start. No more tags, no more restarts. We have done them all. Alrighty, so please check out my demo, which I have done. I try to keep the same outfit on when I do my demos and the tutorials so you can recognize it. If you subscribe to my channel, then you'll have all my videos in the same place. Please, if you ever enjoyed it, you like the way I teach, please make a comment, like, and share it with your friends. They may want to learn this. Cute song, Ella Langley and Morgan Wallen. I'll see you soon with another one. Bye.